Maraming magandang lugar pwedeng matuklasan dito sa lupang Sinilangan. Ako pala si Jose Sian, ang iyong travel guide, kaya't samahan ninyo ako tuklasin ang mga kayamanan ng Pilipinas. Mula sa mga dalampasigan at isla, kabundukan, mga makasaysayang lugar, at masubukan ang mga masasarap na pagkain. Baka ito na ang iyong next travel adventure, kaya tara na, samahan ninyo ako at magbiyahe na tayo.
Castle ayun, no? Guys, so meron nang makikita ba ito na yung vineyard.
Turn left. Turn right. Your destination is on the left.
It's a baby castle.
Magkano po yun? Bayad na po. Ang parking fee natin, 50 pesos. So, bayad upon entry ang parking. Pag motor po, ganun din. Okay, thank you. So, 50 pesos ang kotse at motor.
How can you?
So, yun na yung castle, oh.
Wow, it's a baby castle.
Baby castle. So, ito, malawak yung parking. How much po, ma'am? Okay guys, 1.5. Pwede po card. Okay, so card ang pambabayad natin, guys. Thank you. Okay, so meron ding bag check dito. Pag may dala kang drinks, pinapatanggal nila yung label. Like iced tea or ano, baka meron sa yung sponsor, kaya bawal. Famous nilang character dito sa J Castles. So ayan ang logo, J Castles in a Happy Place. So siya yun. So kung sa Disneyland, parang siya si Mickey Mouse. Welcome guys, a new day, a new adventure, and welcome back to our channel. We are here in Tanawan City, Batangas, and we are here in J Castles, a happy place. Ayan, guys, so tingnan nyo naman yan, ang ganda ng view dito. So this is one of the newest attractions here in Batangas. Yay, we're with our kids. Yan, Lucas and Inigo, and syempre kasama din nating wife, si Jane. This is the view. Ayan, oh. Wow. So parang Disneyland yung datingan. So kung makita nyo itong bandang dito, yan na yung Tagaytay. Ayan, oh. So Tagaytay, Sky Ranch, yun na yung party na yun. Yun na yun. Oh, grabe. So kasi kung galing na rin tayo ng Disneyland and sa Universal Studios. So this is pre-opening pa lang. So there's a lot of pwede pang ma-improve. So baka hindi pa nila na-open yung ibang attraction dito. Kaya parang sobrang tahimik pa at sobrang hindi pa naman siya ganun kabuhay na buhay kasi soft opening. So maybe sa grand opening baka nandun yung mga fireworks display and everything. So dito tayo sa pagpasok sa may bandang castle. You know who this is? The nemesis of Mickey Mouse. So first attraction na pupuntahan natin sa loob ng castle is this. So ito pila. So ito pala si Astro J. Siya ang face ng J Castles. So ito yung unang attraction na makikita natin, guys. Sino po to? Si James pala dito eh. Si James. So we are here in J Theater. Ayan. Meet the stars and paths to discover every moment step to the unknown. Oh, don't touch daw. So ito ang first welcome to the theater. So J Theater pala to. We are here in our second room dito sa attraction dito sa loob ng castle, and it's like you're in space, and we are here in the third attraction. Wow, para yes, you will. So ito yung third attraction dito, so may rides na. Yes, hi Lucas. Sige lang, hindi ako sasakay. Peace bomb. Say hi, say hi, say hi. So ayan, mag-attraction sila. Ayan, yung mga safety po tayo dito. Safety first. And meron pong ayan, meron na pong belt. Kailangan balance. Is it your first time? Okay, good luck! Hold properly, Lucas, ha? Gana-gana mo lap. Oh, bump everything, bump everything.
Welcome to J Express. Please fall in line. Thank you.
Wow, we're in a space shuttle, guys. Naka-apat na kwarto na ba tayo? Yeah. So this is the slide. Dun sa nakita natin. So may cassette tape. So ayun. Okay, so ito ang ating J, right? J? Yeah. Yan. Okay, so si J kasama na natin, guys. Yes. Tapos na tayo dun sa unang building. Let's see kung meron pa and let's see what's next. Oh, what is this? A rubber ducky swimming pool. Second attraction, let's go. We're going to the next castle. So, ito yung second attraction. Ano pong meron dito, ate?
We have 6 attractions.
Dito po?
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome to Castle Studio.
Thank you.
Please watch our guideline.
Let's enter the exhibit, guys.
Right po.
I can hear something. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, cold water. Yes, we're walking, oh. Woohoo! It's raining! It's raining! Oh, deep, deep, ankle deep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nasa Marikina na tayo, guys. Okay. Grabe dito, buong kwarto na baha. Parang nasa Marikina ulit ako, ah. So look at the car! Look at the car! Parang yung car dun sa Back to the Future. Okay, so napagod yung mga kasama natin dito. Okay, so pwede tayo tumawag dito. So kung hindi nyo na naabutan yung ganitong klaseng telepono, alam nyo na. Ang baba tayo pa. Ako naabot ako rin, tanda ako na eh. Provide ng towel para magpunas. Ayan, mga used towels. So what is the next attraction? Oh my... Oh, what is this? Whoa! Wow! 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 Ganda oh! Grabe oh! Look at this! First time po makapasok sa ganitong klaseng room. This is the first time. Parang mas nai-enjoy ko itong second building. Parang mas exciting dito pumunta. So kung ako sa inyo, puntahan nyo muna yung unang building, yung pinakamalaki. Then dito kayo. This is the laser room. More lights. More balls. After a hard day of lakaran, pwede magpahinga muna dito. Ito yung resting pads nila.
Wow.
Oh, it's a forest.
Horror house.
Oh, it's a horror house.
It's a horror house.
See, there's a forest and a tube. Uh-oh.
Stay back. Ako din.
Hi, YouTube! Hello, YouTube!
Bye.
Okay, so tapos na sa amin yung dalawang attractions dito. So, both rooms, 1 and 2, merong magandang karakteristik. Yung 1 para sa akin, bagay siya sa mga pambata, ganun. And yung second, adults will also enjoy it. If you have kids, mas bagay na isama nyo na rin sila. And kung adults naman kayo, like you're dating or kayo mga mag-e-enjoy din kayo. So we are going dito sa pantry nila, sa cafeteria. We're going to eat na. Let's go, let's see kung ano ang meron sila dito. Okay, so we have here a blue burger. Dapat blue na rin yung gravy nila. Time to eat. Siyempre, nagutom tayo sa ating pagpasyal. Yes. Sakto, this pre-opening, libre yung drinks. Pag nag-order na kayo ng food, sipin mo makasave na kayo ng 150 pesos or 100 pesos kasi free yung drinks. So ito yung ating burger. It's a blue burger.
It's a burger. Oh.
Oh, sarap na sarap si Jane.
I'm just eating chicken.
Careful. Laki. Ang laki ng burger. Burger with the bacon, you know. Grabe. Ang juicy. Ang juicy ng burger. Sarap.
Alright. Oh, frick.
Time check, 6:30. So, hintayin lang namin mag-fireworks before we go home para makompleto namin yung experience namin dito sa J Castle. So, we're gonna ask the kids, how are they feeling or ano ang kanilang reaction or did they like it? Parang ganyan. Sige, tanong muna natin.
Yeah, to be honest, I kind of thought it was like Star City, but yeah, this is really good.
It's really good. What about Lucas?
I like it.
Okay. So at least the kids enjoyed it. And now we're just gonna wait for the fireworks dito. Yan, so mag-fireworks na later. This marks the end of our video. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta at pagmamahal na ipinakita nyo sa amin mga ka-ventures. Para mas marami pang travel ventures, pindutin ang subscribe button at i-click ang notification bell para laging updated. Tulad ng lagi, stay safe, ride safe, God bless sa ating lahat. Kita-kits sa susunod na video.